Hi guys, it's me Kathy. If you're here for the first time, welcome to my YouTube channel. If not, if you're following me, watching, checking what I'm doing, welcome back. So today's video is gonna be about something that I was really excited a long time ago to do it, to change it, about my hair and about this amazing hair colors. Okay, I'll not go with one pink and another orange. I'm gonna mix these two babies and I'm gonna apply on my, let's see, it's like a 1 week bleached hair, so I'm gonna achieve the maximum of the intensity of the color. Let me just introduce you with these two babies. I'm gonna tell you a little bit more about them. So these two babies I ordered through the website that you can check here. Also, they are without the peroxide, without ammonia, without the ethyl alcohol, without the PPD. They are very vibrant colors with added conditioner. That's why they're smelling so gorgeous and yummy, and I want to eat. When I opened the bottles, they were super amazing. They are cruelty free, so you can check their Instagram page and website. There you can see everything that I'm telling you. Is they're fighting against animal cruelty, and 15% of the profit that they get from these babies, they're donating to help and save the animals in the United States. So if you're curious how I'm gonna do my hair, how it's gonna look at the end, please continue watching and don't forget to subscribe on my channel and to give to this video a big thumb up if you like the final result. Hey guys, so I changed myself in the clothes that I'm usually wearing whenever I'm coloring my hair, since I'm the one who is doing it by myself in my house. So today we'll just mix these two and I'm gonna apply direct on my hair. You don't need oxygen, anything, just direct. You're gonna put these colors on your hair. So half of the Orange and half of the Electric Paradise I'm gonna put in the pot and I'm gonna mix them and I'm gonna apply on my hair. For you the manual how you're gonna apply this hair color. So you're gonna wash your hair with the shampoo without the conditioner. You're gonna wash it and you're gonna dry it. So you're gonna apply this hair color on your clean hair. The next thing that you're gonna do is that you're supposed to apply the cream around the hairline, so whenever the hair color goes on your skin and after you're removing it will not basically color your skin. The third thing is that we're supposed to remove the bottle cap that I was also doing it before. It has like a white protection you're gonna remove and then you're gonna put this protection cap back, and it's gonna help you to put the color, how much the quantity you basically want. Wear protective gloves. Yes, we are wearing protective gloves. Empty desired amount into the bowl, which we did. I don't know if you saw it, but I apply a little bit more of the pink shade and a little bit less of the orange, so I'm gonna have more pinkish tone than the orange one. Leave color on here for 30 minutes or longer for the best result. Just cover your hair with the plastic cap and proceed with the heat. Blow dry up to 15 minutes while you're wearing the cap, so the heat will make the color more vibrant. Rinse the hair in a cold water away from the face the color will fade with each washing, so it's gonna keep on your hair for the 40 washes. It will also last longer depending on your hair type, conditioning, and porosity of the hair. So these are some manuals how you're supposed to use this hair color. I really don't want to talk any longer. Let me color my